welcome to our journey of sustainable living. We are continuous, passionate learners who want to share our experiences, both successes and failures, along the way. I am Thomas, a former software developer turned urban gardener.
And I'm Rebecca, a former baker and business owner, and now also a dedicated gardener. Join us as we explore how to live more sustainably in our fast-paced consumerist world.
Our story begins with my grandfather, who left England with his family in 1952 to take up a teaching position at the University College of the Gold Coast, now the University of Ghana. In 1967, as he neared retirement, he acquired this land on the outskirts of the city of Accra and ventured into farming. He tried his hand at various vegetables and staple crops, including plantain, cassava, groundnuts, and oil palm. It had its various challenges, but he persisted until the early 80s. The 80s were quite a tough time in Ghana, with the military government, a drought, economic hardship, and many people leaving for greener pastures elsewhere. My grandfather's farm sadly failed, and he moved back to England. My father, who was running his Boko band at the time, to survive military curfews, repurposed his band recording equipment and started a simple semi-open recording studio on the land, a lifeline for him and many local bands at the time. The land never saw commercial farming again, but continued to be used by my mother in some capacity to grow food in the 90s and 2000s. In 2011, the unplanned urban sprawl of the expanding city of Accra and a poorly designed highway caused severe flooding to our property. We did what we could to cope with our new reality, and the land was rebuilt and transformed slowly into what it is today. A little green space in an urban jungle. Nature had worked its magic, returning fertility and beauty within the perimeter of our land.
"2020 was a tough time with the looming pandemic. Tom and I got married in the heat of it. When I look back, I see that it was quite a turning point in our lives. We became interested in our health and its connection to the food we eat. This finally led us down the path of growing our own food. The very first thing we grew was sweet potatoes. It was a small harvest, but it sparked the passion for self-sufficiency and we began our journey into living sustainably. We started small with a single raised bed and scaled up every season, learning to grow different types of vegetables. After having our daughter, we become even more determined in our efforts to grow as much organic food as we can and to be good examples to her. Our interest in sustainability has grown even more as we learn about the problems with modern agriculture and consumerism. The pandemic also showed how fragile our global systems are. So learning to be more self-sufficient seems like a very good idea. This not only benefits our planet, but also greatly improves our physical and mental health.
Sustainability is crucial because our world is finite. Modern agriculture's heavy tillage and chemical use threaten our soil's health and lead to a future where our lands can no longer support life. We've decided to connect more with nature, working with the land rather than against it to sustain us. This, I believe, honors the labor of those who came before and protects the land for future generations.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then give us a like because that helps us get noticed. We also want to know if a sustainable life is one that appeals to you. Is it a life you'd like to live? If that's a yes, then let us know in the comments. Also, support us by subscribing to our channel and let us be on the journey together because there's going to be a lot of learning. So yeah, have a great week ahead and we'll see you around.